All right. All right there. Hey, how you doing? Let's grow together. Today we're talking about sugar cane. I have two different types of sugar cane here. I have the purple sugar cane and I have the green sugar cane. I'm going to plant them all in this area right here. A lot of times I use sugar cane as a wind block to help either shade or reduce the wind around some of my other plants that I plant. Now, each one of these nodes right here, each one of these nodes, that's where something like this is going to come out of, the little peak of sugar. It'll take probably anywhere from 2 to 4 weeks for them to come up to be little sugar canes. There's two ways to planting sugar cane. You could either cut it short and plant it straight down. That way you're only going to get one shoot up. Or you could plant it sideways, like most people I know, they plant it sideways. They get several of these nodes along the line to come up. As you can see, right where these nodes are, that's where the roots are to the sugar cane. So each one of these little nodes, the little prickly things on the side, that's the roots. So what I'm going to do is simply cut this sugar cane, plant it face up like this right here in the soil, and I'll just go down the line like that. All right, be careful not to cut yourself. I'm planting both green and purple. Now, there's a lot of health benefits to sugarcane, and you should be careful with sugarcane. Remember, it will spike your blood sugar levels, so don't drink too much of it. But it is full of vitamins, vitamin C, lots of minerals. You can plant it in a mound. And I see a lot of my friends planted in a triangle. Also, the leftover leaves from the sugar cane, I'll put that in the mulch pile. I hope everybody liked the way I just cut that. We're just cutting it down to size. Got a few more pieces. I like to mix mine up. And all I do, throw a little dirt over this. And I get it started. Thank you. Like and subscribe. Let's grow together.